In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Exness account password. Now to do this for your actual account, you want to go to the left here and click on Profile and then click on Security. Inside Security here, you can see your login and of course the password, so just click on Change over here and you can go and type in the new password, repeat the new password and click on Confirm, and your password is going to be reset and changed, okay? So that's the first way to do this. But of course, if you want to change it for a trading account, you can go to Trading and then Accounts. From here, find the account and click on the three dots and click on the Change Trading Password. From here, you then want to type in the new password. Of course, make sure you actually meet these requirements and hit the Change Password button. But of course, if you're currently inside the login page and you want to reset your account password, I'm going to actually sign out for you just to show you how to do this. On the sign-in page, you're going to be prompted to actually put in the password, but if you forgot it and you want to reset it, click on I forgot my password, and then you want to type in your email address, of course the one you used to sign up, and then press continue, and then whenever you do this, it's going to basically send you a link to your email. So let me show you how to do this. I'm actually going to sign in using my email account over here. I'm going to click continue. There we go, and as you can see, it's going to allow you to verify your account. So you're going to have to go to your email, and in there you want to find your, of course, email from Exness, and there's going to be a code in there, and the email is going to be called password reset. So just go and paste your code in here or type it in, and there we go. We can then go and enter the new password twice. So the first time, and then the second time, click on change password, and that's also going to reset your password, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.